I'm feeling high.
Okay, so this wig that I'm wearing right now is the neon blue wig. I've already did like a review on this wig already in a previous video. So this is the care card of the different wigs and shades that they have. I have the neon blue one, but the palettes that I'm using, I'm very impressed because it was this company that was going out called shophush.com or something, if I'm not mistaken. And this palette right here, let me tell you, this palette is so freaking pigmented. It is no freaking joke. They was going out of business, so they was doing like an online sale. I think the place was out in California somewhere. I'm not totally for sure exactly where it's located, but I think it was California. But here it is. It's called Aftershock, and these colors, when I tell you, baby, this one, I am in love with this one. This was my best friend at one point. Well, it's still my best friend. These colors are very pigmented. For it to have been so cheap, it's very pigmented. And I actually pulled my my other palette, my Urban Decay Spectral palette, out of retirement, because I don't know why I retired it, because I barely use it. And I use that blue here. Where is it at? I use this blue, which is shade. It's called Mink. That blue right there, which is very gorgeous. And I use the Morphe Pride palette. So that's how I create this look. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it, and I will see you guys on my next video. I'm gonna try to come back and do like more like, you know, blogging and vlogging. I gotta see exactly how that works, because I'm still, even though I have a lot of makeup videos, I'm still trying to get used to really doing my makeup videos. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I don't want to be, you know, try to bite off more than I could chew. I'm just trying to give you guys in the middle of the night. Hey. So this is what it looks like. But I want to come to you guys, you know, more content, you know, than just makeup. So I want to do other stuff as well. So you guys look forward to that, and please subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. So you guys stay tuned for this video, and hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was saying.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. feeling high. I'm 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 feeling